goodness, you... Oh,
For you, my love.
Victor! How lovely and unexpected.
Heard you had a spot of rabbit bother and tootle straight on over to sort the little blighters out.
Gosh, that's awfully sweet of you. But you really needn't bother.
It's no bother, little boo-boo. Why's the least a chap can do for his filly? Don't want pests spoiling our beautiful manor house, do we?
Ah, manor house? No one's mentioned marriage, Victor.
All in good time, my dear. Vermin first, though. What? Come on, Philip.
Victor, we can deal with this humanely.
Oh, very classy. Just the sort of client we should be dealing with, eh, lad?
Let's begin.
Oh. Burrowing bounders. They must be breeding like, well, rabbits. Only one thing for it, lad.
Victor, hadn't we agreed? No more thoughtless killing.
Quite right, my dear. So I've thought this one through very carefully. It's off to sunny heaven for you, babies.
Victor, no!
What the...
Champion sucker, eh, Gromit? The Bun-Back 6000! This'll impress her ladyship.